Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. Buying a house is everyone's dream simply because that is how we have been mentally and socially conditioned. A house may not be mandatorily a home, but it has to be converted into one that you love and long to be in. And the space where we spend most of the time is the living room. So today's video will be a living room tour video along with the details on how we planned and executed our living room renovation. Hope you'll find it useful, so keep watching. We built our home in 2013 and back then we refrained from spending money in doing interiors due to budget constraints. We shifted here after having the essential storage elements. Later, when we planned to do the interiors for our home, we consulted a lot of interior designers but was reluctant to hire any of them due to the high charges they were quoting. Afterwards, we decided to figure out the design ourselves and do the execution on labor contract so that it will stay within our budget. So the very first step we did was to figure out the furniture based on our living room size. We decided to go for L-shaped sofa at one end and the other end will be the TV unit area along with home theatre system. Apart from that, we wanted to have space for the puja unit as well. Now for finalizing the TV and puja unit design, we researched multiple options from the internet and came up with a customized design. If you're also planning to figure out the designs yourselves, you will get a lot of ideas from Google Images, Pinterest or YouTube. And later, you can customize the design based on your wall size and other parameters. So once our design was finalized, we approached the carpenter and discussed with him our requirements, and as per his reference, the plywood order was done accordingly for the TV and puja unit. We also ordered a custom designed L-shaped sofa from a nearby furniture shop. Walls are always a great opportunity to add more character to the room. So we decided to do stone cladding for part of the walls above the sofa as well as on the TV unit wall, and that will indeed make the space look classy. If your budget is low, you can even go for wallpapers and you'll get a variety of options in that as well.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens with.
Meanwhile, the false ceiling work was started parallelly. The false ceiling design was done considering the requirements for home theatre system. So the provisions to install wires were given accordingly. I have uploaded a separate video on how we set up home theatre in our living room. So do check that out in case you're interested to watch.
I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
We decided to go for white and rosewood theme for the living room, so the TV and puja units laminate color selection was done keeping that in mind. Similarly, the paint color for false ceiling was also chosen accordingly. The main benefit in keeping the base furniture neutral color or white is that you will get to experiment decors in different colors, and that will indeed make the whole decor classy.
You can do better. I dare
addition of indoor plants will enhance the overall look of the space as well. I have shared a separate video on low maintenance indoor plants, so don't miss to watch that.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is
We installed wooden panel frame for this wall, which acts as a divider between our living and dining room. So this one is a 6 mm plywood sheet cut into the required size and then glued to the wall. Small changes like this will have real good impact. So when you're planning your interiors, try to give more attention to small details and the outcome will be much better.
you can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
And under the staircase area is utilized as a storage option.
I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have
That's it for today's video, and I hope all the information I shared will be useful for you. And if you have any query, do leave them in the comment section below and I'll be definitely replying to that. Please do not forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends to support our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.